weird. Like the inside is like, hello? Hello? Whoa. This is so weird. I should try this more often. Ew. Sorry. I think I got something on the lenses. Oh my god. Is my voice still like this? Hello? Hello? Oh my god. How long does my voice stay like this? Hello? This is so weird. Let's try this again. Hello? How long does my voice stay like this? Is this gonna last forever? I feel crazy. If this kills my brain cell, there's gonna be some problems. I think it's running out of air now. Oh well. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video now.